Hello, my name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and I'm here to guide you through creating certificate on POWERGIZER as a virtual support assistant for POWERGIZER CRM. So on today's how-to video, I'm going to show you how you navigate to where certificates are being created. First, when you log into your POWERGIZER CRM, it will take you to dashboard. So what you need to do is locate where you have membership. By the left hand side of your screen, you see membership. Click on membership. When you click on membership, you have client portal, courses, communities, certificates. So what we are clicking on is certificate, since we are building certificate here. So when you click on certificate, you can now see that we already have a certificate created here. Then we also have template and issue certificate. So we are creating a certificate. If the certificate is being issued out, it will be on issue certificate. So not wasting time, all we need to do is click on new. We have certificate template, blank certificate. If you want to start from scratch, you can click a blank certificate. If you want to use an existing template, we have like 5 sample templates here that you can use. So what you need to do, choose on which one you want to go with, then click on confirm for it to create. So now it will now show you the certificate you want to create here. So right now we have here in certificate builder, we have the elements, the properties, and the redo, preview, save, and send offline certificate here. So first thing you do, give your certificate a title. Let's say certificate of completion. Certificate of completion 2. We already have one there. Let's give this 2. Then this is the layout. If you want to change the layout of your certificate, you click on the layout, come to the properties, you see other samples of the layout right here. Then on this layout, you can change it to landscape. But if you are changing it to landscape, it will require you to switch over to landscape. So whatever you were designing will now be customized to landscape. So we are not going to that, so we cancel. So you can change anyhow you want your certificate to look like. So that's for the layout. Then the background, what do you do with the background? This is where you give your background color. If you want your background to have a different color, this way you can do that. Or if you need a picture in your background, you have a picture you are using for the certificate background, you now come here, you upload it from your media. You upload it from your media, right? So you upload it from your media. Okay. It's taking time to load. Okay, it's fine, it's open. So you upload it from your media where you have already uploaded the design you want to use to do that. So this is what we have on our media. If I select any of these, it will be in my certificate background. Let's go for this. Assuming I just want to use this. Can you see? It's now popped up on my background. Then we have the opacity, can reduce, to how we want our opacity to be reduced from here. So picture is not okay, you can delete from here. Then if you want to use a pattern, you can still use a pattern. We have template or pattern here too. So if you clicked on it, it will now be used. Your design, see, easy going. So now you can also click out for the patterns to go out. Then same goes to a header. If you for the header, what you need to do is to drag it down for it to work. Then you can delete it with your keyboard. If you want to delete it, click on it. You have a delete here or duplicate delete. So we already have a header here. If you want to edit this header, just double click on it and the header will come up. Then you edit it just like that. Same goes to here. Then you can also add a custom fields to your certificate. Then when you add a custom field, this is a custom field still from text. Where can you add a custom field? When you double click to edit, this is where you have a custom field. I know you all are familiar with this already, so we are not going to go into this. So we have here the custom field, depending on the kind of custom field you want to be using on your certificate. So just that. Then we also have the image. If you need image in your design, then same thing goes, you choose from the library or you can use your image URL. Then the opacity same is applicable. If you don't want it, you delete it out. Then for the badge for your certificate, this way to get your badge. When you click on badge, when you drop a badge down here on your property, you have different badges here, so you can pick one from there. Then this was badge already too, so you can change it here if you want to. Then we also have the signature. This is the signature down here. We already have. Same goes, if you want it, you drag it down, or if you already have it here, you can delete it with your keyboard. You use mouse to. You want to edit this too, you double click and edit it. Let me do sample here. So just like that is editable. Then remember to always save your work so that it will not corrupt at the process of creating the certificate. Yes, we have done creating the certificate now. Okay, then boom, we have two certificates now, certificate of completion and certificate of completion 2. So that is that to get a certificate. So right now we have successfully created a certificate. If you want to edit the certificate, you click on these 3 dots you have by the right hand side of the certificate, and we have a preview, set expiring date. If you want to set expiring date for the certificate, and edit and delete if you want to delete the certificate. So thank you for following along for today. If you have any question and need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to virtual support assistant at virtualsupport@ms-school.com. And also, if you like the video, please comment, share, and you will also love it very well. See you next time. Thank you and bye-bye.